A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We learned about hydrocarbons and functional groups, right? Then here are two organic compounds. One is an alcohol and other is an ether, right? What about the molecular formula of these compounds? The molecular formula of first compound, that means that of alcohol, is C3H8O, and the molecular formula of ether is C3H8O. Molecular formulas are same, C3H8O, but one is an alcohol and other is an ether, two type of compounds, right? But their molecular formula is same. This type of compounds have a common name. They are called isomers. What is called? Isomers. And this phenomenon is known as isomerism. So what are isomers? The organic compounds having same molecular formula but different chemical and physical properties are known as isomers, and this phenomenon is known as isomerism. In the first compound CH3, CHOH, CH3, the molecular formula is C3H8O, but the functional group is hydroxyl group. In the second compound CH3O, CH2, CH3, molecular formula is C3H8O, but the functional group is alkoxy group. So the molecular formulas are same. What is the difference? Yes, difference in functional group. This type of compounds are called functional isomers, and this phenomenon is known as functional isomerism. So what are functional isomers? The compounds with same molecular formula but possess different functional groups are known as functional isomers. Clear? Then look at these compounds. First one CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, and the second one CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. What about their molecular formula? Yes, their molecular formulas are same, C4H10. What is the difference between these compounds? In the first compound, there are 4 carbon atoms in the main carbon chain. But in the second compound, there are 3 carbon atoms in the main carbon chain. Clear? So what is the difference? Yes, there is a difference in the carbon chain, but molecular formula is same. This type of compounds are called chain isomers. So what are chain isomers? The organic compounds having same molecular formula but difference in carbon chain. They are called chain isomers. This phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. So we learned about chain isomerism and functional isomerism, right? Then here are two compounds. What is the difference between those compounds? Both the compounds are alcohol, right? The first compound is propan 1-ol. The second compound is propan 2-ol. That means the OH group is present as a branch. Their molecular formula are same. What is the molecular formula? C3H8O. But what is the difference between these compounds? Yes, their position of functional group changed. This type of isomers are called position isomers. If the position of the functional group is different in two compounds having the same molecular formula and the same functional group, then they are position isomers. And this phenomenon is known as position isomerism. So, we learnt about isomerism, right? We learnt about functional isomers, chain isomers and position isomers. Here is an organic compound. Which is the compound? There are 6 carbon atoms in the main chain. Hexane, right? We have to draw the chain isomers of hexane. How can we draw? In hexane there are 6 carbon atoms in the main chain. We know that if the compounds have difference in their carbon chain, they are chain isomers. So, in order to draw the chain isomer of hexane, first we have to draw 5 carbon atoms in the main chain. One carbon atom should be given as a branch. That means CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So, it is a chain isomer of hexane. The main chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Then, how can we draw second chain isomer of hexane? Yes, by drawing 4 carbon atoms in the main chain and 2 alkyl group, that means 2 methyl group should be given as branch. So, we will get the structure CH3, CH2, C. In that carbon atom, we have to draw 2 methyl group CH3, CH3, then CH3. This is also a chain isomer of hexane. Clear? In this way, we can draw the chain isomers of alkane. So, this is about isomerism. In this chapter, we learnt about hydrocarbons and their derivatives and the IUPAC naming of hydrocarbons, right? There are a lot more to study about organic chemistry that you will learn in your higher classes.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.